Hello guys, today we're doing a repair video. It's a bit windy outside, but I'm gonna try to be loud, but I'm not gonna be loud. But welcome to repair video. The Torment decided to be a mind of its own and just break the transmission every time I took this Torment out to give it a run, and the tires would just lock up and make a weird noise. So it's gotta be the transmission. It's gotta be a gear though. I'm not sure if it's just a transmission, but yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can fix this, and this will be a repair video, so no edits, no nothing. So let's see what's wrong with this thing. Still plugged in when I ran it. Also, it's become winter over in Michigan, and I would like to take the T-Max out, but it's winter, so I can't really take it out. And the T-Max, we got that fixed. It's just over there. I might bring it on camera when we're done fixing this. But the T-Max, it's done. It's done. It's been tuned. We got a 3.3 motor in there, and sadly it doesn't have reverse anymore, which is fine, but she runs. And we just figured out that the reverse was actually a kit that's been added to it. This T-Max has been upgraded a lot, but we'll show that on camera later. There we go. Take my 3S LiPo out. Yes, LiPo. See, it just locks up. That didn't seem good. Let's see what the problem is here. I need to figure out how to fix this one tire right here. This tire always likes to come off its hub. So every time I drive it, this hex just comes out. And then I just see the tire just rolling away from the car. I'm actually kind of curious why it does that, but might as well see what's the problem. Wearing down these brand new rims already. Huh. It's not good. That scared the crap out of me. Anything wrong in here? Nope, it's not this. Okay, it's nothing with that. Well, alright. Oh, nothing wrong with this. Drop that time. Bearing. That's not good. Where'd that bearing come from? Oh, wait, a bearing? I think I know why the transmission's not working. Did it just come out of the transmission? Oh, you'll never know. Come on, get in there. So much dirt and rust. It's super windy outside. I almost got it. Got it. Free. Come on. Stop it. Gotta stop it. Stop it. No strip before you. You cannot strip out. No. 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 Dang it, you little. Come on out. I need you out. There we go. There we go. Out. Alright, so now time to get the transmission out. I can figure out how to do that. Different. This off. Transmission's out. What the heck? Let's get rid of all the stir with a tiny screw. Driver thingy, Allen key. There we go. Stir out. And unscrew it. Oily. I don't know why it's so oily. Because I put some Loctite on it. Or not. But I did put Loctite on these, so. Screw this. I put Loctite on all these screws. There we go. On the dry shafts. Let's not try to get some dirt in here. This because it still does not want to budge. Just check inside the transmission. It get rusted inside here. Not gonna lie. I don't know how. Oh, maybe in there, but. Okay, I don't know why my wheels bobble then. Save this. Separate all these screws. You're not escaping me. Okay. Better not be locked up still. Yes, you're still locked up. Okay. Let's see. So review inside here. Reveal what's wrong inside here. If I can get it open. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Flathead. Revealing the transmission. Even though the transmission has been opened many times. But first time on camera. Oh my gosh, I get grease. Serious? You had to stick to the dumb screwdriver? Alright, let's see where this dumb screw went right here. Perfect. Do not stick to the dumb screwdriver, you idiot. Get off. Magnetic. There we go. Alright. See if we can get this bad boy open. And I'm not going to be running this bad boy anymore. I'm going to get a Slash 4x4 Ultimate. I don't think it's the Ultimate, but close enough. It's the Slash VXL and T something. I don't know. I'm just not gonna worry about it right now because I'm not. Let's remove this motor and these gears first. Right. Motor. There we go. Sure, I get these washers. Because we need those washers. Okay, motor's almost out. Just need to unscrew this one still. There we go. The dynamite motor. The taser. Made by Dynamite. Okay. Just put this in. There we go. Alright, still jammed. Alright, so there's still a screw in here because it still does not want to open. Okay. There we go. She has been opened. What? Oh, okay. The bearings seem fine. Okay. Put this bad boy back together, see if anything bad happens. If we turn it. Why does it seize? Okay. What the heck? Is there a bad spot on these gears or what? Oh my God. Okay, that makes sense. These gears are bad. I barely ran this thing and it's destroyed. Holy crap. All these gears. Oh my God. It ate the teeth of the gear. What? There's like many teeth missing. It runs fine now because I took out a tooth that's one of the teeth. It goes fine now. Because I took one of the teeth out that's been stuck between. Or not, there's still more. Holy crap, it ate these metal gears. These are metal. Hey, teeth, get out. That one tooth, get away from that motor. I'm very surprised the rest are fine. Holy crap. It ate these metal gears. What the heck? Look at that. Teeth? No teeth. It ate it. I need to buy some heavy duty gears. These are not. What the heck? Same here. No teeth. It's gotta be a dirt spot or a bad bearing that ate these. Because these were pretty good. They lasted a long time. Huh. See about this one. Oh my god, that one also been eaten. This one won't come out though because there's the bearing. That missing bearing goes right there. What the heck? It ate it. Actually, the missing bearing don't go there. Windy. It's so windy outside. That is very unfortunate. This vehicle has so much power. Jeremy Clarkson's power compilation. But still, bruh, he ate these gears. Look at it right there. Look at this gear. It ate a tooth. We just jammed this one in there. Yeah, it locks up. Oh, because there's a tooth stuck inside here. Ready? This has gotta be my fault. I forgot. Guys, this is why people keep saying mesh your gears. If you don't mesh them, this is exactly what happens. But hey, it goes. Alright, so hopefully I can get a slash. But this bad boy is just gonna be a shelf truck now. I'm not gonna worry about this truck anymore. I might steal the taser from it to put on my fork. Well, actually, I'm not gonna steal the taser because the truck that I'm getting is going to be all. It's going to be truck I'm getting is going to be brushless stock. But let's put this bad boy back together. Jeez. He ate it. Alright, well, I'm not gonna put this together, but I'm just gonna put this cover on. I'm gonna replace these gears so it can still run, but it's just not gonna be that good. Oh my god. I'm just disappointed in this truck. It's spent so much upgrades, and this is the first upgrade that it broke. Disappointing. Alright, but whatever. This truck's a stocky. I'm gonna keep this truck as a shelf truck because I'm not gonna get rid of any RCs. Because this is my first RC car I ever owned. Because I don't know what cause, but whatever. But this, oh my god, I'm just very, very, very disappointed in this car. It broke so much times that I can't even count how much times it broke. It's countless. Alright, well, one thing I want to do is, I remember where this goes, I think. Nope, it does not go in there. I kind of figured. god, though. And 8 those metal gears. Surprising, though. Yep, and there it grinds again. Whatever. Okay, let's put this bad boy back together. Might actually put that taser inside the rally monster, but this is the taser is meant for 2-wheel drive, so I don't know. Power, but this taser caused so much problems, but oh, I forgot putting in gear. Oh my god, I just can't speak right now. Oh my god. That's just very surprising though. I know metal gears will break, but not this quickly. Jeez. Like, the metal gears kind of barely ran. Well, I barely had them. Well, I didn't have them for a long time. Alright, let's see. I had them. I had the taser for a year now, and I had the metal gear since I had the taser. So for a year now, the metal gears only ran like 50 times. I'm actually gonna put it back together because I'm not getting any gears anytime soon. As well. Come on. Get in a hole already. There's like 50 holes you can choose from. Pick one. Come on, pick one. There we go. You finally picked one. Now, would you just go in the hole now? How you're cross-threading. They don't want you because this is the motor. I don't want a cross-threaded motor. An expensive motor, actually. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Stop it. Oh my god. Alright, well, putting you in a different hole. There we go. Come on. There we go. You're in a hole. See if you get in a hole. What the heck? I put you in a hole and you just came out. Maybe you didn't even go in a hole. Disappointed. Okay. Alright. Straight. Do that. Put you in a hole. Find a hole. It's simple. There's like 50 billion holes there. Just pick one. There you go, you got a hole. That was not that hard. Now, why does this one not want to go in? It's not even meshed. Go inside the hole without being hard as a rock. Simple. Just go straight in. There you go. You're not hard as a rock anymore. There we go. Alright, mash you. There you go, that's perfect. Get that one in. Let's get this one in. Did you just pop out of your hole? You idiot. I don't know why I'm talking to a dumb screw. Come on. Get in the hole. What the heck? Do these screws even know what a hole is? There you go. You finally found one. Simple. But now you're not meshed. Kind of, go figure. There we go. No, you're not even meshed. You're barely touching. That's how you strip. Okay, come on. There you go. You're meshed, finally. There we go. Perfect. Get in there. Tighten you hard. Tighten you hard. There we go. Transmission. Perfect. I'm spinning super hard and it's barely spinning. Perfect. Alright, let's do that. Put the cover on. I don't care how I'm going in order, because I'm not going in order. I just want to get this thing together. There we go. Yeah. There. Go in the hole. Go in the motherfucking hole. go inside that dumb hole. It's simple. I think I know why it's not going in the hole. Because that big dumb screw goes in this hole. That's why, so this one's super easy to get in the hole. There you go. Perfect. Now nope, you don't go in that one. You go in this one. Now, will you be nice to me and go in the flipping hole? Or you belong? Go in the flipping hole. Ah, no! You dumb piece of crap! Go in the hole. Doesn't matter where you go. Dumb screw. Me is getting frustrated at it, even though I barely get frustrated. Doesn't seem like it to you guys, but I barely do. There you go. Finally found a hole that you would enjoy going in. There you go, simple. Now I got one more screw to go. What's it, the dumb stripped stinking screw that decided to strip out? Stop sticking to the dumb screwdriver. Ow. Come on. Get your stinking screw in that hole. Get your threads in there. Now. No. Threads in there. Now. Get your dumb threads in there. Ah. No. Get your dumb threads in there. That's where you belong. In a hole. Don't go in that hole anytime soon. I will force you in there by stinking pressing you in there with a stinking press, or maybe even a C-clamp. Get in there! Ow! Get the foot inside the hole. Stinking stab myself with this dumb screwdriver so much times. Which was only 2 times. Get in the... There you go. You're finally inside the hole where you belong. There you go. Transmission's put together. Now, be nice and go inside the car. There you go. Now, put you on there. And don't stick to the dumb screwdriver again and fling across the room. There you go. You're in. Screw you in. I don't care about Loctite anymore because you're barely gonna be ran anymore. So, goodbye. Well, not really goodbye because I'm keeping you, but you're just gonna not be run anymore. I'm gonna steal that taser motor and put it in a different RC car that I'm gonna get. Maybe even a UDR when I get one. It's my goal to get a UDR because I love the UDR. I'm gonna try to, or maybe I can put this inside my TRX4. Not gonna happen though. Because the TRX4 is powerful enough with just a single 3S lipo in there. Alright, that can go in there. Don't strip on me this time. There you go. That's simple. They go inside of a hole. I don't know why these screws just does not like holes. Probably because it's afraid of being broke. Yeah. You better stop stripping now. Now. No. Now. Now. There you go. It wasn't that hard just to go inside of a hole. There you go. You're good enough. I don't care about you. I care about the others. Okay, so now this is gonna be toughy. There you go. You're in there. Now you can go inside the hole. There you go. Now let's try to screw you in the hole. Come on, threadies. Go where you belong. Where you came from. The hole. Where you came from. Well, you came from a manufacturer, but still, it's where you're supposed to go. There we go. We're going in. We're going. Get in there. There you go. We're in. Now, put you inside this one. This one's gonna be a struggle because I decided to be stupid and don't go in order. I decided to put this transmission cap on. There you go. Don't care if you cross thread in plastic, it's plastic.